keep coming back to this, but first up, let's get you a technical check as well. We have Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joining us now. Sacchitanand, thanks for joining us on the show today. You know, after a little bit of a shaky last 2 days that we've seen, right now we're holding up quite well, almost at that 20,100 mark as well. How do you see the rest of the session panning out? Because there has been a little bit of a pullback that we've seen.
Good morning, Pavitra. Good morning, Ekta. I think clearly when we look at the trend still looks confident. We have Nifty, which is trending well above its 5-day exponential moving average. Even at this juncture, you know, the average is placed somewhere close to around 19,980. And unless we don't see a closing below the same, we may not see any distortion in momentum. We have seen some profit booking here. The sector rotation has been really good. For the day, we believe that 20,070, 20,050 looks like a very dependable support. The gap which was formed in the opening, that particular gap has been filled. And if you look at the entire data set today, we are expecting the expiry to shape up somewhere close to around 20,150 and 20,200 within this particular range. So clearly, I think the declines are healthy. One can start accumulating Nifty. When we look at Nifty Bank as well, the 45,800 support zone looks promising. But the range looks very much skewed today, so we are not expecting any bigger move above 46,200. So probably Nifty Bank could remain within this particular range. But clearly, I think Nifty is still presenting a good decline here, which can be accumulated. Keeping a stop loss somewhere close to around 20,050, one can initiate some long positions here. Positions should be reviewed once Nifty starts trending near to that 20,200 mark.
Okay, all right. But what would you recommend in terms of specific stocks in this market, Sacchitanand? Are there any picks?
Ekta, I think the focus clearly remains on the Nifty metal pack, and within this particular space, we have seen some fresh breakouts getting exhibited. One particular stock which has been on radar is Jindal Steel. Now, if you look at the data since September, it has been respecting this resistance zone at around 715, 718. If you look at the way today's move has unlocked, probably there's a good healthy sign that this particular resistance may be cleared today itself, and hence we are looking at a bullish flag formation getting shaped. The pattern is indicating a price target somewhere close to around 748. So we are recommending long position here for our clients. The stop loss should be placed somewhere close to around 698, and Jindal Steel futures can be accumulated. The other stock which has been on our radar is Ultratech Cement. Now, despite it has been trending up near to its life highs, we have still not seen any liquidation or unwinding of positions. Even here, the data is supporting that the 8600 support is very strong. On the higher side, we are expecting this particular move to extend towards 8880, and that's why we are still recommending building long positions here. The stop loss from here on should be placed at around 8580.
Okay, all right, Sacchitanand, we're going to let you go on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and giving us all of those technical picks. Do watch out for a couple of these stocks which have seen strong runs.